Take a ride in the 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tonneau cover, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, heated seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.